Hey everyone. Welcome to this complete Android application development course. My name is Abhishek. I'm a professional Android developer for over 5 years and I'll be your instructor for this course. So before jumping directly to the course, let's talk about it for a few minutes. This course will be a huge help for everyone who wants to start their career in Android development. I have tried to compile everything in this course which you will be needing so far to create your own Android app. This course is specially created for anyone who is passionate for Android development. Even if you have no prior experience with Android development, then also you will be doing just fine, as we will be covering everything in this course. So let's start with this course. In the first lecture of this course, we will set up the environment needed for Android app development. This will include installing Java Development Kit, Android Studio, Software Development Kit for Android Studio, and the emulator which you'll be needing to run your Android applications. Beside these things, we will also be creating a small Android application to get familiar with the basic concepts and components. We will be installing few things. First of all, we will be installing Java Development Kit, or like some might call it JDK. After that, we are going to install Android Studio, and after everything is done, we will be creating a virtual device on our machine so that we can test and run our Android applications. So first of all, we need to install Java Development Kit on our machine. For that, simply search for Java JDK and click on the first link from Oracle. And after that, depending upon your Windows operating system, you have to choose one of the listed variants. In case you are not sure about the version of your Windows operating system, then go to your desktop and then click on this PC properties. And then here you can see the architecture of your system. In my case, it is 64 bits. For you, it might be 86 bits. And depending on that, select one of the two files. Just click on this download. A pop-up window should appear asking you to agree the license agreement. Check the checkbox and simply click download. It might ask you to log in into your Oracle account to continue with your download. This process is completely free of cost, so don't worry. As soon as you click on sign in, your download should begin. I have already downloaded the JDK, so I will be canceling this download. Next comes the installation process. Installing JDK is quite a simple process. Click on the installer and click next. Again next. Next, and as you can see, we have now successfully installed the JDK on our PC. If you want to check whether you have successfully installed JDK on your PC or not, then you simply have to open your command prompt and type Java-version. Press the Enter button. You will see all the information about Java installed in your PC. Let's close it for now. Next, we have to install Android Studio. For that, you need to go to developer.android.com. This is the official website for Android developers, and during this course we will be visiting this website multiple times. To download Android Studio, you need to click on the Android Studio tab. And from here you can easily get one of the Android Studio versions. As soon as you click on the Download Android Studio button, a pop-up should appear asking you to agree with the terms and conditions. Check the checkbox and click on Download. Your download should now begin. Once again, I will be canceling this download as I have already downloaded the Android Studio. After the download is finished, just click on it in order to install it. Again, it will be a simple installation process. Let's select Next. Here you need to make sure that you have checked the Android Virtual Device option. Now you need to select the path for installing Android Studio. Keep in mind that installing Android Studio, the emulator, and all of its Android SDKs might take up to 30 to 40 gigabytes. So make sure you got enough space in the drive in which you are installing the Android Studio. Now click Next. After the installation process is completed, again click Next. And finally, your Android Studio should open. Now you have to install the Android SDK. For that, you have to click on Configure and select SDK Manager. SDK is a short form for Software Development Kit. And in order to develop Android application on your PC, you need to install at least one SDK. Now you can see a list of all the SDKs available till date. I will recommend you to go with the latest Android stable version, as previous versions might contain some bugs. First of all, click on the Show Package Details options to show all the package details for every SDK. If you want, you can install the complete SDK package, but I will not be suggesting that to you, as it will consume a lot of your system memory. The essential things will be including the Android SDK platform, sources for that Android, and depending on your system architecture you have to select one of the Atom system image. If you are planning to work with different Google APIs, then check Google API's Atom system image. Basically, API level means that the Android version in which you will be testing your Android applications. After selecting all the things carefully, simply click on Apply. Before you proceed any further, make sure that you have a stable internet connection, as it will require a few things to download. Click OK, and as you can see that the download process has been started. I'm now gonna skip the video ahead till this download gets finished. Now you can see our download is finished, and now you need to click Finish. OK, now we have successfully installed Atliest 1 SDK. Now select this SDK Tools tab. So let's see what we have got here. First of all, select this Show Package Details options in order to show all the package details above. Next, you have to install one of these Android SDK build tools. I will again be suggesting you to go with the latest Android version. Also, you need to install Android Emulator. The next few things which are must are the Android SDK platform tools and Android SDK tools. So make sure you select them. And finally, you need to select this Emulator Accelerator. This will be responsible for increasing the speed of your Android emulator device on your PC. One thing I would like to mention here is many students have contacted me to inform that they face problems while installing this Emulator Accelerator. This Emulator Accelerator cannot be installed in every CPU. And if you are facing any issues while installing this accelerator, then that is because of your CPU architecture. Don't worry if you are facing such problems. Beside all these things, you can always test your Android apps on your real devices, which we will be discussing further in the course. OK, now after selecting everything told from the list, click on Apply and click OK. After I close this window, I would like to do one more thing. Go to Appearance and Behavior, and inside the System Settings you need to click on Updates. Here make sure you have selected Automatically Check Updates for Stable Channels. You will have other channels like Beta Channel, Dev Channel, Canary Channel as well. So make sure you have selected Stable Channel from the list. The main reason for doing this thing is that updates might contain some bugs. That's all. Click OK. OK, now we need to install Atliest 1 emulator in order to run our Android applications. For that, you need to go down here on Configure and click on AVD Manager. AVD stands for Android Virtual Device. Select this Create Virtual Device option. Here, if you want, you can create your own custom device. But for now, I will be selecting one of these pre-configured devices. Select Next. OK, now you have to select the Android version which you want to be installed in the device you selected. I will be installing Android version Q. Now download process should begin. Now you have to select Next. Then if you want, you can customize other settings for your emulator device. I will not be changing any of these settings, but if you want, you can. Now click Finish. As you can see that our device is now created. As simple as that. OK, now close this window. That's all with all the installation part. So in this lecture we have installed Java JDK, installed Android Studio. After that, we have installed Android SDK, and done some other customizations as per our need. And after everything, we have finally created a new virtual device.